So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change font of your website on Squarespace. It will be a very easy process. So first you need to go to design on the left and then click on site styles. On the top you will see fonts, click on it. So here you can see headings, paragraph. Let's change headings font. On the top you can see family, click on it and then browse all fonts. So let's choose Arial. So on the preview you can see the font is changing. So that's the process for changing the font. So now let's change for paragraph. Click on paragraph now and then go to family, browse all fonts, and on the preview you can see the font is changing as well. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching, guys.